Looking for a fry pan that delivers perfect browning, easy release, and long-lasting durability? The Ballarini Parma 8 aluminum non-stick fry pan might just be the upgrade your kitchen needs. Crafted in Italy with cold-forged aluminum, this pan heats evenly and quickly, so you get consistent results every time. No more hot spots or uneven cooking. What sets this pan apart is the GRANITIUM non-stick coating, reinforced with ceramic particles and unique speckles that resist scratches from all types of utensils. It's PFOA-free, which means you can cook healthier meals with less oil, while still enjoying that golden brown finish. Plus, the coating's quick-release surface makes cleaning a breeze, saving you time and hassle after every meal. The thoughtful design extends beyond the cooking surface. Ballerini's heat-sensitive handle changes color, red when hot and green when cool, so you always know when it's safe to touch or ready for cooking. This smart feature helps prevent overheating and undercooking, giving you better control without guesswork. The ergonomic handle stays cool and offers a comfortable grip, reducing arm strain during use. Made from some of the purest aluminum in the industry, this pan is 3 times more energy efficient than cast iron and noticeably lighter. That means less effort lifting and maneuvering, especially if you cook often or for extended periods. It's a practical choice for anyone who values both performance and ease. Users across the United States have praised the Ballarini Parma pan for its cooking performance, calling it their favorite for frying and everyday use. While some noted minor issues like a loose handle or slight warping, they agree these don't affect cooking quality and are outweighed by the pan's excellent durability and non-stick reliability. If you're particular about aesthetics, a quick check before purchase can help avoid those small quirks. If you're ready to enjoy a pan that combines Italian culinary tradition with modern innovation, the Ballarini Parma 8 aluminum non-stick fry pan is worth a look. It's designed to make cooking smoother, healthier, and more enjoyable, whether you're frying eggs, sautéing veggies, or searing meats. Try it when you're ready to experience how a thoughtfully engineered pan can change your kitchen routine. With Ballarini, you get more than just cookware. You get a partner for everyday cooking that delivers consistent results, easy cleanup, and lasting quality.